assembly on activities we can do during these holidays and keep ourselves fit and happy. So what if it is lockdown? Yay! But what can we do during this lockdown time?
Yes, I like to play table tennis inside my house. I also cycle inside my colony with my mask on.
Yes, we can learn music, gardening, and sometimes I write short stories and poems. Yes, there are many other activities we can do and learn during our summer vacation. Come and have a look.
Going on a summer holiday, no more working for a week or two. Fun and laughter on a summer holiday, no more worries for me or you, for a week or two. We're going where the sun shines brightly, we're going where the sea is blue. We've seen it in the movies, now let's see if it's true. Everybody has a summer holiday, doing things they always wanted to. So we're going on a summer holiday to make our dreams come true.
And now it's party time. Let's have dance party.
Dance party! Let's dance. It's a dance party. Everybody make your body dance. It's a dance party. Dance party! Let's dance. Everybody's jumping. Music is pumping. Everybody's jumping. Jump, 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 jump. Step to the left. Step to the right. Here we go. Here we go. Let the rhythm flow. It's a dance party. Everybody make your body dance. It's a dance party. Dance party.